So we just woke up a little bit ago here on BLM land. We didn't make coffee or breakfast or anything. We just got up and got everything packed up. We're gonna keep moving. Today we're heading toward Moab. I know Escalante is in between. We're getting pretty close to Escalante. So I'm not sure if we'll stop in there or not, or what else is in between here in Moab, but we'll see. So we're just gonna work our way off the BLM land back out to the road and keep heading that direction. Alright, we are in Moab, Utah. Finally. We're sitting in the parking lot right now at the visitor center. Got some maps, got an idea of some of the locations we want to camp. It is 107 degrees and of course no air conditioning in the Jeep, so that's fun. But we got some maps of the trails we want to do. We're not out here to wreck the Jeep. We're not going to do hard trails. We're going to do some pretty cool trails though. So but right now we're gonna get moving because it's freaking hot, and I think we better fuel up first, and then we're gonna head out north of town out toward Canyonlands and try to find a campsite, set the trailer up, and then go hit some trails. We don't want to drag this trailer through the trails. So after talking to the guy in the visitor center, we got some maps. There's plenty you can buy. He was showing us one and was telling us flat out, these are free ones. You can buy that one if you want, but these are free and here's where you want to go, because we were asking a lot of questions. The guy was super helpful because we tend to wing it a lot and we probably should have done a little more research, but
not our stuff.
We didn't know that, and we didn't know the dates that we were going to be here. We didn't know if everything was going to stay in order or whatever, and it didn't. We're here. We skipped Sedona. If you've been watching the videos, we skipped Sedona and came, that skipped the whole day basically. So he was super helpful. We got maps. He showed us where dispersed camping is in BLM land, and I forgot what the other area was called, but we're going out to where he showed us where there's supposed to be some really nice sites out on BLM. And we're going to try to drop the trailer, like I was saying, and then go find some trails or go sightseeing. But first thing we want to do is try to find a campsite and drop this trailer and get it set up. Alright, we drove all the way out to the end of a peninsula based off of what the guy at the visitor center told us that there would be really cool campsites out here. Depends on what you think is cool, because they probably are really awesome because they're scenic like this, overlooks, but they're just sitting wide open in the sun. There's no shade. So quite a ways back by that giant red rock, butte, bluff, whatever those things are called, we're gonna head back toward that, and I think set up camp back there, because one, this was a really long drive at the pace you have to drive on the trail, and we want to get to Arches pretty early in the morning, and at trail speeds this far out, that'd be a long ride very early in the morning. So we're gonna head back in a little ways. All right, so you've seen a little bit of trail there, and we found a pretty epic campsite up next to this giant rock. I know what these are called. I'm tired, I can't think of what it's called right now. But pretty awesome site. A little breezy. I'm a little concerned about how windy it's gonna get during the night, but I think we got everything staked down pretty good. Lisa's giving the shower a try. So yeah, awesome view. I don't know how much this you'll be able to see. GoPro don't show very well, but in the mountains in the distance, there's snow capped a little bit. A little snow on them still. But otherwise, we got this spot all to ourselves, pretty wide open, other than Texas awesome rock.